Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Emma.
I am happy today.
Me too. We are at the zoo.
Our dog Charlie is excited.
Yes, let's go inside.
2 tickets, please. Sure, here you are.
Thank you.
Charlie is coming with us.
He is very happy.
Where should we go first?
Let's see the lions.
Great idea.
I also want to see the giraffes.
Today will be fun. Wow, the lion is big.
Yes, he is beautiful.
He looks sleepy.
He is relaxing. Woof!
Charlie likes the lion. The monkeys are funny.
They are very active.
Look, one is jumping.
That monkey is fast. Woo-woo! Look at the giraffe.
It is very tall.
I have some leaves.
The giraffe is hungry.
This is amazing. Smile, Emma.
Okay,
This picture is beautiful.
I love it.
Charlie looks cute.
We will remember this day. Woof woof! Look, Jack, zebras.
They are beautiful.
I like their stripes.
Yes, black and white stripes.
They look peaceful.
Let's watch them.
Woof! Charlie likes the zebras too. The tiger is strong.
Yes, and very beautiful.
I love its colors.
It looks majestic.
Wow, beautiful feathers.
The colors are amazing.
The peacock is proud.
It looks wonderful.
This ride is fun.
I feel like a child again.
The music is nice.
Everyone looks happy.
The penguins are fast.
They love fish.
They are funny.
Yes, they are.
The goats are friendly.
Yes, they are hungry.
This one is cute.
He likes the food.
Charlie wants to play. Look, Jack, the sea lions are funny.
Yes, they are very smart.
They can clap.
And they can balance a ball.
I like this show.
Me too, it is amazing. He loves the sea lion.
Look, Jack, an elephant.
Wow, it is very big.
I like its long trunk.
The elephant is friendly. It is waving to us.
Charlie likes the elephant too. Look at the snake.
It is very long.
I like the turtle.
It moves slowly.
Smile, Jack.
I am smiling.
Charlie looks cute.
This photo is perfect.
The flamingos are pink.
They are beautiful.
They stand on one leg.
That is amazing.
Wow, so many birds.
They are very colorful.
Listen to their songs.
They sound beautiful.
I like the red parrot.
Woof!
Charlie is watching them too. Look, Jack, a panda.
It is so cute.
It is eating bamboo.
The panda looks happy.
I want a picture.
Me too.
Charlie likes the panda. Look, Jack, butterflies.
They are beautiful.
I like the blue one.
And I like the yellow one.
They are flying everywhere.
This garden is peaceful.
Charlie is watching them.
He is very curious.
I am hungry.
Me too.
This sandwich is delicious.
I like the juice.
Charlie is eating too.
The sunset is beautiful.
It is a perfect ending.
I had a wonderful day.
Me too.
I love penguins.
They are cute.
They can swim very well.
Yes, they are funny.
I want a picture. This toy is cute.
Do you like it?
Yes, very much.
Let's buy it.
Thank you, Jack. Today was wonderful.
I had a great time.
The animals were amazing.
Let's come again.
Goodbye, Zoo.
See you next time.